One of the annoying things is cutting many pipes becomes very tiring when the pipe becomes deformed and we have to correct it, and when the cutting edge is not smooth due to a burr. I am very satisfied with these shears. They came across really well. I've been testing them all day and I'm really impressed. This is a great product that Rothenberger is launching on the market. What I really like about the shears is that you can cut almost all dimensions of pipe that you have installed in the home with this one pair of shears. That there are two functions in one pair of shears. And they're also very easy for me to use, even as a left-hander. The small dimensions can be cut directly without ratcheting, and for larger dimensions it's better to use ratchets because it's easier. With these shears you only need one pair. They can do everything. The shears fit very well in the hand. They are very lightweight. The cuts are clean and very straight. Therefore you have little recalibration or deburring to do afterwards, which can be time-consuming. I would say a benefit for all craftsmen. I really like the shears. I'd like to keep them too.